Let's face it, driving today is more dangerous than ever. From reckless drivers to hit-and-runs, it feels like every trip on the road is a gamble. But what if you didn't have to leave your safety up to chance? Imagine having a 24/7 eyewitness in your car, capturing every moment, every detail, in stunning 4K Ultra HD. That's exactly what the REDTIGER Dash Cam offers, a crystal clear, no excuses safety net for all your driving adventures and emergencies. If you've been procrastinating on getting a dash cam, it's time to stop. With the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam, you're not just buying a camera, you're investing in peace of mind. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity in today's world, where being able to prove what happened during a drive could save you thousands of dollars, endless stress, and legal nightmares. Buckle up, because I'm about to show you why you absolutely need the REDTIGER Dash Cam on your windshield today. When it comes to dash cams, video quality is everything. The REDTIGER F7N records in 4K Ultra HD, ensuring that every crucial detail is captured clearly, whether it's road signs, license plates, or important moments during an accident. You'll be able to provide indisputable evidence in the event of an insurance claim or legal dispute, all thanks to this stunning resolution. While many dash cams on the market claim high resolution, this model stands out with front 4K and rear 1080p recording, offering both high fidelity and wide-angle coverage of your surroundings. Driving at night comes with its own set of challenges, but with the REDTIGER's HDR and WDR technology, combined with an f1.5 aperture, nighttime driving becomes far less stressful. The dash cam enhances image clarity in low-light conditions, ensuring you capture every critical detail, even on dark roads. Whether you're navigating poorly lit streets or driving through tunnels, this camera excels where others fall short. If nighttime driving is a frequent part of your routine, investing in a dash cam that can deliver this kind of performance is non-negotiable. One of the best features of the REDTIGER Dash Cam is its integrated GPS. It logs your speed, location, and route, which can be crucial if you're involved in an accident. This data provides concrete evidence that can protect you against false claims or disputed incidents. In today's world, having this kind of precise data on hand can make all the difference in an insurance investigation, so why wait until it's too late to have this critical feature? Convenience is key with this dash cam. The REDTIGER F7N comes with built-in Wi-Fi that connects directly to your smartphone via the REDTIGER app. This allows you to instantly download, view, and share your footage without removing the memory card. Whether you want to share scenic drives with friends or need to quickly forward an accident video to authorities, the app makes it effortless. The convenience of being able to manage everything from your phone cannot be overstated, especially in emergency situations. Whether you're parked in a busy lot or on a quiet street, your car is still vulnerable to hit-and-runs or theft. The REDTIGER Dash Cam features 24-hour parking monitoring, which acts as a surveillance system for your car. The camera automatically begins recording if it detects any motion or collision while parked. This means your car is protected even when you're not around. However, you'll need to purchase a hardware kit to enable this mode, which is a small price to pay for around-the-clock protection. Forget about running out of storage or losing important footage. The REDTIGER Dash Cam features loop recording, which automatically overwrites old, unimportant footage, ensuring you always have space for new recordings. Its G-sensor also detects sudden impacts and locks the footage so it won't be overwritten, safeguarding critical moments from being lost. In the event of an accident, you can rest assured that you'll have the footage saved and ready to share with insurance companies or law enforcement. You don't need to be a tech expert to install this dash cam. It comes with a suction mount that attaches easily to your windshield, and it's ready to go right out of the box. The user-friendly interface, combined with the smartphone app, ensures that even non-tech-savvy drivers can operate it effortlessly. Customer reviews consistently praise its simplicity and how quickly they were able to get it set up, sometimes in just minutes. REDTIGER stands behind their product with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer service, which means if you run into any issues, you'll have quick, reliable support at your disposal. Many users have complimented the company's responsiveness and how swiftly they were able to resolve any concerns. This level of customer support adds considerable value to your purchase, ensuring that your investment is protected long after the initial purchase. The real question is, why wait? With the increasing number of accidents, hit-and-runs, and insurance fraud cases, having a reliable dash cam like the REDTIGER is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. You don't want to wait until it's too late, after an accident or damage to your vehicle has already occurred, to wish you had one. Imagine being involved in a fender bender and having no clear evidence to support your version of events. That's not a position you want to be in, especially when for just a small investment, you can secure peace of mind on every drive. The REDTIGER Dash Cam is your essential road companion, offering unparalleled clarity, ease of use, and crucial features like parking monitoring and GPS tracking. If you want to safeguard yourself against legal headaches and protect your vehicle, this is the dash cam you need. Don't delay, ensure your safety on the road today.